Send na lang po namin yung tracking. Next is large size. Code ng ube. Mine ube large. Code ng ube. Next is small, medium, princess. Garter sa waist. Code ng princess. Branded yours na po, sis Darling branded. Med to semi-large. Mine na lang ako design. Mine design. Thank you din, sis. Oo, para mas makatipid ka, sis Darling. Pwede po pagsamahin na lang. Pag-isahin pala. Next, brand new with tag. Medium, code ng bago. Mine bago is small to med. Bago. Bago. Ay, H&M oh. Sis H&M. Large. Code na lang ako dito ng mahal. Mine mahal. Large size. Next, design is Diaz. Yours is Diaz design. Next is small to med nakakaputi. Mine nakakaputi is small to med. Code ng nakakaputi. Next is 2XL powder. Mine powder 2XL. Mahal sis Debbie yours. Mahal. XL size. Dilaw. Mine dilaw. XL. Code dilaw. Next is med to large. Garter sa waist quality. Mine quality. Med to large. Large XL polka. Ang haba niyan sis. Code ng polka. Powder sis Debbie yours. Powder. Next, med to large. Code na lang dito garter. Pop-up sleeve yan sis. Pa-code ng garter. Polka sis Brendix. Polka yours. Small, medium, large. Smack. Mine smack. Pa-mine ng smack. Small to large. Next, lagyan nyo inner large XL, purple. Mine, purple. Garter, sister, narong kilo. Meron na. Ang old mine. Next is XL, pastel, adjustable sa waist. Pastel. Ay, nilak si garter ni sis Monique. Yours is Monique si garter. Smack sis Darling. Smack. Next is small medium size. Puti. Mine puti. Ay, nilak din si Smack. Lock smack ni sis Monique. Nakailan na daw si sis Darling. Next is large. Code pink. Mine pink large. Next is pabakuna style. Small medium. Mine na lang dito ng checkered. 16? 16 pa lang sis. Kaya mo pa yan. Budo. Next. Large XL, code ng dahon. Mine dahon. Lock mahal ni sis Jane Buen. Ayun ba yung blue? Galing kay sis Debbie. Yung printed. Lock pink sis Jocel. Lock pink. Next is large. Mine na lang green. Mine green large. Dahon sis Darling yours. Dahon. Large XL. Mine ako dito ng kulay. Mine kulay. Pa-mine ng kulay. Ha? Meron? Next is medium size, burda. Mine burda, medium. Pa-code ng burda. Makin bordado. Next is large size, old rose. Cotton po yan si old rose, large. Large XL, matcha. May tali sa waist adjustable. Pa-code ng matcha. Alamig sa katawan ng tela. Ito, eyelet. Ay, bongga. Sis, large XL, mine ng eyelet. Bagsak tela, sis, pa-code ng eyelet. Mine, eyelet, mine ng eyelet. Next, Vero Moda ang brand. Yes, sis Jane Buen, sa inyo po si... Ayan, mahal, yung dark blue. Nalagyan mo naman. Hindi, yung isa. Yung nasa ilalim niya. Itong H&M. Oo. Matcha Sis Maria. Your Sis Maria Matcha. Vero Moda, large XL Kalawang. Mine Kalawang, large XL. Code is Kalawang. Akin na, pesos natin dito. Sis Jane, your Sis Jane. Screenshot, 123, 123. Next one. Ay, nilak si Matcha, ni Sis Grace. Your Sis Grace, Black Matcha. Ito, super quality ng tela. Bagong-bago pa. Small to med, may patali. Code na lang nakakaputi. May nakakaputi, small to medium. Pa-code na lang nakakaputi. Next. Large XL. Mine ako ng painting. Mine painting large XL. Pa-code ng painting. Asan yung paayuda? Kung sis paayuda. Ang ganda nito. Pang 20 na magko-comment ha. Code na lang ako dito. Pink na pink. May pink na pink. Kalawang sis Rowena. Painom lang ako. Code ako dyan. Pink na pink. Ito, sarap ng tubig. Mine pink na pink, pa-mine pink na pink. Dapat po may namay na today. Pink na pink. Grabe, may kamakulay. Pang 20, okay, mag-count na ako. Sis Nesely, Sis Del, Sis Jane, Sis Michelle, Sis Monique, Sis Michelle, Sis Mira, Sis Michelle, Sis Michelle, Sis Jane. First 10. Sis Monique, Sis Debbie 13, 14 Sis Jane, 15 Sis Michelle, 16 Sis Maria, 17 Sis Jane, 18 Sis Jerna, 19 Sis Jane,